Hi.
It's all about your debut film.
Yes.
What would you like to about to say that? How you feeling exciting?
I'm very excited. Obviously, it's my first full-fledged role in a Bollywood movie. So I hope people will like that. People will like my work, and don't forget to watch it on 22nd January, guys. Just few more days.
So, did you speak Hindi in the film?
Yes, मैं सिर्फ हिंदी बात कर रही थी और डबिंग खुद मैंने किया.
Oh wow. So, would you like to share any incident during the film you were shooting?
You know, there was the entire month we were shooting in Thailand, 2 weeks in Bangkok, 2 weeks in Pattaya. So it was a wonderful experience altogether. And because it is an adult comedy, so all the time that non-veg jokes we were cracking all the time. And also, you must be knowing about. You have seen the trailer, I believe. So. The entire concept is coming from a Hollywood, so all this USP of the movie is also those spoofs which you haven't seen before in any Bollywood movies. So obviously I'm playing a part of that, and in the second half I am playing a sanskari sister of Tushar, because he falls in love and he has to fake that we are his family, but actually we are playing this adult stars who are shooting all these spoofs. So it's a hilarious concept, a beautiful story altogether around that story. So it was so much fun shooting for that movie.
Okay. Would you like to share that? How did you cast in the film?
Definitely, Balaji has its own casting agency which contacted me for the same, and I did the first audition, so the director kind of liked that. So then they sent me another 2 scenes of the movie. Again we did one more audition, and afterwards the director really liked that, and he called me for the narration, and afterwards there was no turning back. I got signed.
Claudia, did you audition before? Before Kya Cool Hai Hum?
For the movie?
For any film?
Yeah, I did few auditions also, and even for any reality show you also have to do auditions. Zar Ka Jaat Ka Beat, Big Boss I didn't have to, but even Comedy Circus also we were trying, because Comedy Circus was all about the comedy and timing and my Hindi. So even for that we had to rehearse a bit and audition. So yeah, obviously audition is always a part of that.
So Claudia, please tell us how much it is difficult to make place in proper Bollywood masala movies, because we see a lot of kind of talented actors, and what would you like to say about this?
Bollywood is definitely to make a mark for its own. It's kind of difficult, and sometimes it takes time. Like my career started with the television, then item song, and now after a few years finally I got opportunity to be a part of a full-fledged Bollywood movie. So definitely you have to be patient. Definitely it's not sometimes easy, but for me work was happening and I was equally happy with my television work. So I mean, destiny, luck, hard work.
How did your co-stars behave on location? What they used to tell you that you should do like that or like this?
No, as I said, I was doing Comedy Circus before for 15 episodes, so I got the feel how comedy has to be done. And a part of that, Tushar and Aftab are wonderful co-stars if it comes to comedy. The timings is just perfect and fantastic. Krishna Abhishek is also a part of that movie, and he's the king of comedy itself. So to work with experienced actors makes it even easy for us. So I must say only thank you to them for supporting and for rehearsing also before every shot. That the timing is perfect, and also it couldn't be even better to start my first movie opposite experienced actor, which are also very helpful.
What do you like the most in Bollywood?
What I like the most in Bollywood?
In terms of songs and acting and fighting and all that.
Obviously all the songs are very charming because it is nowhere else in the world, so it's a very special and unique things if it comes to Bollywood. But a part of that, if it comes to shooting behind the scenes, I like the warmness and the hospitality of Indian. They really, even on the set you feel like one big family who is just having fun together, not really shooting. That strictness and all the stuff is not there. So I really like that. It's very helpful, mentality wise, so you can relax and you feel friends are around you and you are shooting with them. That makes you feel even more confident and comfortable.
What do you love most, dance or acting?
Well, you see, dancing I have been doing, I keep doing a lot of, events, dance performances. So, dance is very close to my heart, but acting has its own charm. So, definitely, if you ask me to choose, I couldn't.
Any star you want to work with?
All of them. I have worked with Amitabh Bachchan in Big Boss. I have worked with Shah Rukh in Zor Ka Jatka. I have worked with Akshay Kumar in, Kilari 786, basically in that song Balma. So, now Tushar is there. So, I have worked with few already, but there are so many left. So, I hope one day I will be able to work with all of them.
How did your parents react when you told them that you want to become an actress?
Firstly, I started as a model. So, firstly, they were like, model, what is the future? How will you manage? And all this stuff. But I'm saying, like, I will study simultaneously, but let me do and follow my dream. Then my dad was a bit more fine with this idea. But any which way, I had to shift to Germany and to follow my dream, but still I was studying economy simultaneously. So, but then afterwards my career really happened and I started doing Hollywood movie. I did an Italian sitcom. I was traveling all over the world. So with that my parents gained confidence ki yes, this girl really can do it. So then they left me alone ki okay, now we have confidence in you, you do whatever you want.
Any future plans that you would like to share with us?
Future plans, definitely it will be Bollywood. I will continue doing work here. I will continue do acting here. I can share my hobby with you, which just few only knows about that. Only my close friends knows about that. But recently I also started blogging because I'm certified nutritionist myself. So I started blogging called Keep Eating, Keep Losing. And over there I am advising people what to eat, how to eat, what has to be taken care, and how it is easy to take care of your body without really struggling hard or starving, God forbid. So guys, if you want to just follow my tips, keep reading my blogs, keep eating, keep losing.
How long will it take to learn proper Hindi?
I had a teacher for half a year, which I took like classes for half a year every day for 2 hours, and after that I have a fantastic friends around me who is like my family, and they took special efforts and said no, we will only speak to you Hindi, otherwise you will never be comfortable with the conversation. And thanks to them also I am very much confident today, and I am like easily able to hold the conversation in Hindi.
Any particular Hindi line that you want to recite for us?
Particular line?
Hindi line, any line, any dialogue in Hindi.
Any dialogue in the movie? Okay, there is one dialogue in the movie which, me and Tushar, as I said, there are this very funny spoofs which we are doing. So one spoof is Kick, basically from the movie Kick, but we named it Leak. I hope 18 plus public is watching that only. So, but yeah, you have seen the trailer also. So me and Tushar are there and he's saying kabhi devil aapke niche, kabhi aap devil ke niche. Too much fun. So you will see many those funny dialogues. I'm playing Basanti from the movie Shawl also. I'm playing so many roles in that spoofs in Kya Kula Hum Part 3. So I'm assuring you will have so much fun watching that movie.
What kind of film you would like to do? Comedy, romance or action?
All of them. I did martial art as well few years back, so I'm trained martial art. I did comedy. This is my first movie. I'm getting launched with a comedy movie, which is so much fun shooting. So I would not like to just think, oh no, only comedy I have to do, or no, only action I have to do. I would like to do many mixed different movies all together and have all the wonderful experience.
Wish you all the best and
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.